overview of installing these tailpipes. This is the style right here. Got both of them. These are a little bit different because they're baffled out compared to the original pea shooters that go on there. So I've got one installed right here. It's in there pretty good. Just wanted to go over the kit that I put it on with and then the process. Here's the kit right here. It's actually a full exhaust kit. Ordered this off of J-Bugs. It also included the gaskets, the metal gaskets that go right in here, and then the hardware for that. There it is all put together. Here's one side of it in pieces. So you've got both clamps, bolt that goes through each side. Got a lock washer, regular washer, and then 10mm nut right here. So I'm just going to go over the process of putting it on. One thing to note, you got to do them pretty tight. I've had some kits before, they slide right out when you install it all the way. These are pretty tight. You're going to have to tighten it down pretty much until both sides are touching, and then it works pretty well. So the way you're going to put this on, you got the ring here. Slide that on, slide this ring on. You're going to put from here, you want to put it actually in there, and you want to line them up, make sure they're both even, pull it out the same. And then you're going to put this clamp around it, all the pieces together. It's a lot easier when the engine's out of the car. Make sure it's all lined up. And then from here, make sure it's clamped over all the way on the pipe. And you can put all the washers and the bolt there, start tightening it down, even on both sides. And like I said, this is a pretty solid kit. Does not slide out. Here's the numbers again. The bolts didn't strip or anything. Have had that issue before. This has all been good, and it's holding pretty tight. Hopefully it actually works when we put it in the car.